Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's problem is widest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. So this is a medium level problem. So let's understand what this problem is trying to ask. So we have given n points on a 2D plane where points I equals xi, yi. Return the widest vertical area between 2 points such that no points are inside the area. So we have given an array of coordinates, 2D coordinates, and we need to find out the vertical area. A vertical area is an area of fixed width extending infinitely along the y-axis. So this means the height for all the points will be same, like they are taking the maximum or they are saying the infinitely along the y-axis. So we just have to worry about the y coordinates. The meaning of this statement can be interpreted as this. So we have to deal only in the x coordinates because they are considering that along the y axis it is infinitely long. So the widest vertical area is the one with maximum width. Okay, so we need to worry about the maximum width. Okay, so note that points on the edge of a vertical area are not considered included in the area. Okay, so we don't have to consider points on the edge of vertical area. So we need to find the area in between those points. Fine. So to understand this, I have drawn a diagram of this example so we can understand this problem more clearly. Let's go to that. Fine. So this is our array of coordinates. I have plotted these coordinates onto this graph. So 3, 1 is here, and 9, 0 is here, and 1, 0 is here, and so on. I have plotted all the points. And as you can see, after plotting these points, I have drawn these blue vertical lines following those points. And if we see, we need to start considering from this line, from this particular line of 1, 0 to this line at 3, 1. So the difference between the width between these two lines is 2 because 1, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2. So it is 2. Okay, so till now our widest area is 2. Fine. Why we are not considering this line at 1, 0 and 1, 4 and 5, 3? Because there is a point in between. And we have a condition that there should be no point in between. So we need to consider those points only where there is no point in between, those lines only. So now we can see this 3, 1 and 5, 3. Again, the width between these 2 points is 2 because 5 minus 3, 2. 3, 4, 5. 2 coordinates. Fine. Now we are coming next. Then 5, 3 and 8, 8. Now the width between these 2 points is 3. That is, if we subtract 8 minus 5, that is 3. So 5 to 6, 1, 6 to 7, 2, 7 to 8, 3. And this is the widest vertical area we have for this given input. So I hope now you have understood that what we need to calculate. We are not worrying about the y coordinate. They are equally high. We just have to worry about the width. If we have got the maximum width and there is no point in between, that will be qualified as our widest vertical area. Fine. So what I'm going to do is to solve this problem, I will take out all the x coordinates of this array. So suppose if I take all the x coordinates of this particular array, then I will get an array something like this. If I take, I'll take 3 out of first point, 3, comma, then 9 out of second point, then 1 from the third point, then 1 again from the fourth point, then 5, then 8, then 8. So this will be our array. Now what I'll do is I will, so I know that I need to find the difference between two subsequent point and there should be no point in between. So to achieve that, I can achieve that very simply if I'll sort this array. So then I will sort this array. If I'll sort this in the increasing order, then I will get the array something like this. Fine. So this is our sorted array. And then I'll start taking the difference between subsequent points. So if I take difference between 1 and 1, it will be 0. Then the difference between 1 and 3, it will be 2. I'll keep on subtracting the next element from the current element, and I'll keep on iterating on this array. Then the difference between 3 and 5 is 2. So then the difference between 5 and 8 is 3. So previously it was 2. My high maximum bits was 2. Now I will update it by 3. Then the difference between 8 and 9 is 1. So my maximum bit will remain as 3. So this is my logic, which I'll be applying into the code. So now let's jump into the code. I'll code it. Fine. So first what I'll do, I will create an array of uh, x coordinates. So I will name it as x points xp. So this is new int, and what will be the width? It will be the equal to the array. So points dot length. Okay, fine. So after creating this, I will sort this array. I'm using the inbuilt sort. So the time complexity is now n log n for this approach because we are using inbuilt sort, and I will pass xp to this. Now it has got sorted into the non-decreasing order. Now, now I will iterate over this xp and I will take the difference. So for that I need to take a difference also, because so I'll take the minimum difference as 0. Then I will start iterating over this xp from 0th index to the length. So xp dot length I plus plus. Fine. So inside this loop, I will check. So I will not iterate up till xp dot length because it will give me an out of bound exception, because I will take 2 points. You will understand it in a moment. So I'll be taking the current as xpi. This is my current index. And my next I will take as xp of I plus 1. Fine. So what will happen when I'll reach the end? Then my xp I plus 1 will be out of bounds. So I will iterate till this point only, till 5 only. If you see here, I will go till here only because the current will be here 5 and the next will be here 8. Then I can take the difference. And if I'll not put -1 here, then I will reach up till here. So I will get the XP in this case also, but for the XP I plus 1, I will get an exception, and I don't want that. Fine. Now I will put a check here. If so, if my next minus current, why am I doing next minus current? Because my next is greater, as my array is sorted now. So my next is greater. That's why it will always give me a positive value. If my next minus current is greater than the difference, then I will update my difference to next minus current. And this is how I will get the maximum difference somewhere. Fine. And that's it. So this is the entire code. And in the end, I will return the difference. Return difference. Fine. So that's it. Let's try to run this. And it is taking a bit of time. What happened? It is giving me wrong answer. Okay, it has got some problem. Let's try to debug what is happening here. If my next minus current is greater than the difference, okay, then I will update my difference to next minus current. Mhm. Okay, so I have made a mistake. I have just created this XP, but I have not populated it. So first I need to populate it. So for that I need to run a loop. These all these things happen when you are hurrying. Okay, at least we find out the mistake quickly. I didn't have to stop the recording. So I less than points dot length and I plus plus. So this is where I'll be populating it. So my XP of I will be points. So I points of I will give me the current this point, and I need the zeroth index of this inside array, because this is a 2D array anyway, and that is the size of n cross 2, always n cross 2, because these the length of these inside point is 2. So at zeroth index I'll be getting the x coordinate. So now I have set these now I have populated this xp, and now I think this will work. Fine, it's got accepted. Let's submit this. And yeah, it has got accepted for all the test cases. So the time complexity for uh, this approach is big O of n log n, because of this sort. We are using this sort, and the space complexity is big O of n, because we are using this array of length n. So this is the solution which I have for this problem. If you have any better approach or better solution, then do tell me in the comment section. And if you like this video, then share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, and keep learning, keep growing. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.